How do I create a 4-digit MPIN on GCash?
Hello viewers! Today, we're going to be discussing a very important topic related to GCash, a leading mobile wallet in the Philippines. If you're new to GCash or looking to secure your account, setting up your 4-digit MPIN is a crucial step. Remember, your MPIN serves as your password for all GCash transactions, so keep it safe and private. Let's dive in.
What is GCash and why is MPIN important?
GCash is a mobile wallet app that allows you to make online transactions conveniently. One of the key features of GCash is the MPIN or Mobile Personal Identification Number. It's a 4-digit password that ensures the security of your transactions. Without it, nobody can access your GCash account or make transactions on your behalf.
How to set up your GCash account?
Before you can set your MPIN, you need to have an activated GCash account. To create an account, simply download the GCash app from the App Store or Google Play Store, enter your mobile number, and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you provide accurate information for a smooth and secure process.
How to create your 4-digit MPIN on GCash?
Once you've set up your GCash account, it's time to set your 4-digit MPIN. Here are the steps. 1. Open your GCash app. 2. Tap on the side menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, located on the top left corner of the screen. 3. Tap on Settings. 4. Tap on Change MPIN. 5. Enter your current MPIN. For new users, this would be a default MPIN provided upon registration. 6. You'll then be prompted to enter your new 4-digit MPIN. Choose a combination that's hard for others to guess but easy for you to remember. 7. Re-enter the new MPIN to confirm. 8. Tap on the Save button. There you go. You've successfully changed your MPIN.
What to do if you forget your MPIN?
Don't panic if you forget your MPIN. GCash provides an option to recover it. 1. On the login page, tap Forgot MPIN. 2. You'll be asked to enter your mobile number and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your MPIN. Remember, never share your MPIN with anyone and avoid using obvious combinations like 1234 or 0000. And that's how you create a 4-digit MPIN on GCash. Keep in mind that this MPIN is crucial for the security of your account and transactions, so make sure to remember it. However, if you do forget, you can always reset it. We hope this video was helpful, and you're now more confident about managing your GCash account. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks related to mobile wallets and online transactions.